To set your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra to play tone where your call is answered, you have to enable play tone when call connects option in the phone app setting. To do so, open phone app, tap more icon or vertical dot icon at the top right, and then tap setting. Tap call alert and ringtone. Under call alert section, tap the gray on object next to play tone when call connects until the switch on screen to turn it on. When this feature is on, your phone will play a subtle tone when the call is answered. Given the function, enabling this feature can help you know exactly when your call connects, avoiding awkward moments of speaking too soon. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.